It's gonna be so cool when the Rangers take us there.
Why, wait. We're here now.
But the Rangers said...
The ranger said before we took on a real mountain trail, we needed to practice. And we did.
I'm not sure we've had enough training.
I guess we were wrong. We thought you wanted to be cool.
I do.
Nah, you don't. If you really wanted to be cool, like the Rangers, you do what they do. Bike down the mountain.
Huh?
Hurry up, Wolf. We're almost there.
Hi, Mayor.
Hello, boys. Hold on. You're not going to the biking trails. You don't have helmets, pads.
Oh, that's because we're on our way to get them, aren't we, Carl?
Oh, that's right. They're up there.
In that case, have a good time. Wait a minute! Why would their helmets be up the mountain?
Whoa!
You can't get me!
Ta-da! Presenting my brand new bike bell.
Now that is a really cool bell. Huh?
It's the mayor.
That's some fancy bike riding, Mayor. Oh, thank you. Oh, but speaking of bikes, those Kangaroo Brothers and Wolfie are going to bike down Treetop Mountain.
I'm not surprised at Calvin and Carl, but I thought Woofy knew better.
And the Kangaroo Brothers aren't wearing helmets or any safety gear.
What?
Then, Rangers, we have a mission. We've got to go to the Treetop Mountain biking trails and stop those boys before they get hurt. Play, Rangers!
It's teamwork time!
Bumpy wheelie, front door!
Which way did they go?
Let's try the top of the mountain.
That trail is the most difficult of them all.
And the most dangerous.
That's really steep.
Probably just looks that way from this angle.
Wait! We're supposed to check our bikes. Where are your helmets?
No time for that. Last one down's an uncool fool.
They can't handle the trail.
Especially at the high speed they're going.
Carl, slow down!
Sorry, Mike. Kenny.
Go! Uh-oh, that's not cool. Go!
You're going too fast. You're not going to make the turn.
Ease up, Whoopi.
I can't! My brakes broke! This is so not
Try to stay calm and remember your training. Think of the trail as the obstacle course.
As an obstacle course.
Watch out for the rolling ball!
Just keep your handlebars steady.
I did it! Oh no!
He's going to hit that wall!
No, he's not. Time to try out that new bike stunt we've been practicing. Ready, Play Rangers? Whoopee, grab Longbar!
Play Rangers rule!
Thanks for fixing my bike, Rangers.
And from now on, you're going to play it safe, right?
Even when someone tries to tell you it's not cool?
You bet. Because sometimes what someone says is cool isn't cool at all. I know that now.
And you're not the only one.
All right, we admit it. We should have listened to you.
Taking bad risks is really uncool. But now you admitting what you've done wrong? Well, that's really cool.